Okay guys, welcome back to the start of the next video. We are starting it out on this path. Irvin and Tobias are here, and I swear that post was removed when we got here. I did not move that post.
I believe you. I believe you.
I
didn't see a thing.
So we're gonna take a few photos here, and then we're gonna head out to the gorge, out to Bonneville Dam area. Tobias has a video that he saw that he thinks he can replicate perfectly one-to-one.
Yeah, just one take.
Without any compromise, and you guys will
full speed.
Yeah, so you guys will see the behind the scenes of that video in this video. That's going to be on Instagram if we succeed, which hopefully we succeed. I think we will. I don't think there's any way we don't.
I'm not gonna jinx it.
Yeah.
I'm not
What do you
gonna
mean?
jinx it.
Road, not road, road.
Yeah,
Car,
fine.
camera, rolling.
be
Easy.
It'll probably be fine.
Yeah, I don't. I think it will.
60%.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
this is going to be a little road trip vlog out to the gorge to film that video. Here we go. Okay guys, we got some shots. We're just about to roll out. Let's go. Okay guys, we're peeling out. Get ready for GoPro montage footy. Yeah. We have already stopped for gas. Oh. Hey. Yes. Yes, I'm so happy.
How did you do it?
I'm so happy you did.
It really hurts with just a normal GoPro.
That's what I did before I got mine.
And it works though.
I'm so happy you did the mouth mount.
Well, I forgot my headband.
No, that's better.
Please pay inside. What is this? The
What?
2010s?
We're out in the country. We're out of city limits.
Middle of fucking nowhere, dude.
Middle of absolutely nowhere. We haven't seen gas stations in forever. Alright, well I hope you guys enjoyed the little montage. We are currently in the Bonneville Dam area, the closed racetrack where we're going to be filming Tobias's video. I think I'm going to get situated, grab all my gear and hop in the IS. We'll stabilize the gimbal and then we'll start looking for an actual spot to shoot this. If you guys are wondering, this is kind of like, this is what we're going for right here. This video, we want to recreate this, but with the 4Runner, which you guys saw the walkthrough yesterday probably. Okay, currently rigging up the R5, stabilizing the gimbal.
Yeah, Ben didn't tell me he was gonna use every single piece of my gear.
Well, that was the idea.
He's like, yo, can you bring your gimbal? I was like, yeah, sure. He's like, oh, wait, we're not using...
And the R5 and the 16 mil lens.
We're not using your $3,500 camera setup.
And the mic and the car, and you're gonna be driving.
It's totally cool. It's all good.
You're
it's
the
all
help.
Good. Yeah, no, understandable. Understandable. I'm gonna get 0 clap for this.
I'll tag you.
Yeah, you're gonna tag me. I'm gonna get 3 followers.
Yeah, but it's gonna get 1 million views.
I know. That's, yeah.
You can give him the little like
Knife through my
photographer emoji credit.
Yeah,
like,
that's what you'll get. You should be lucky. You should be thankful.
That's not how that works. That's not how it works, Ben.
I mean, yeah, you missed the little setup and
Are
everything.
we rocking and rolling?
I'd say so.
Very nice. Wow. Is it an FPS mode?
No.
Oh.
It's got a couple different modes. It's got the one where if you push, it'll move the direction the lens is pointing. It's got flashlight mode, so you can do all kinds of crazy shit like that.
Why do you never use this?
It's cumbersome. It's really annoying to set up. It also is kind of finicky, if I'm being honest.
The Mini looks cool. The Ronin DJI whatever something Mini.
I don't know why it's making the beeping. You see that? It does that shit.
Oh.
It's like, it's weird. I always have to like, dumb shit with it. But this is like the first generation of this gimbal.
Uh-huh.
And like they just came out with
Oh, you're
the-
an early adopter.
Yeah, I mean I fucking was on this shit soon. But the Ronin SC is like the nice one.
Mm-hmm.
And I hope that they made them better.
We are currently zip tying the R5 to the gimbal to then hold out of the car.
Yeah. I'll just throw that on the ground.
We're on to military colors.
Perfect.
we did black, we did like pink, we did blue, we did yellow, and now we're on the military camo supply.
Yeah, boy. This is the rig. It always feels so funny how much gear we use to film silly Instagram videos and stuff like that.
Seriously.
The props and all the setup and like nobody knows what goes into this kind of stuff.
Nah, there's so much
It's like
so much shit for no reason.
like even for just the boba video, like I had to first figure out a way to rig a cup holder in my car, and then we went and bought boba, and then we had to rig up the camera.
This thing upside down. Oh, turn off the motors when you're transporting it.
Very nice. Okay guys, we just got one run in. We found a spot that's working pretty good. We're gonna rig this guy up now so you guys can kind of see it behind the scenes, but essentially we're still working with the R5, the gimbal. Tobias is behind us, and we're gonna try and suction cup this bad boy and see what we can do.
We'll change up.
This is the transition. We rolling?
No. There you go.
Rolling. This is good.
And then when we run out, Irvin,
Yeah,
maybe like accelerate and take off so I don't have to slow down to like come behind you.
sounds good.
How does the behind the scenes mount look? You can see my back.
Like garbage, really.
Let me put a GoPro in my mouth. Give me a second.
Put a GoPro in. Got a real nice shot of your ass right now.
Really?
Double cheeked up.
No.
Bundle it with your feet pictures.
I should really just get into adult video.
Yeah, this shit is all going on OnlyFans. If you guys want.
You're gonna steal my SD card.
Alright. How about, what are you doing? I'm wondering if I get a shot straight back
We need a van.
of like Tobias like leaving, you know?
I don't know if that's enough cameras right there.
It's only 4 of them.
I've done it before. Not happy. That might have been the take. We just finished filming Tobias's and my Instagram video. It looked like it's gonna be a great success, and now we are positioning the 4Runner to get a couple more shots. Irvin is up there spotting. Yes, I horribly misjudged our amount of light because sunset's at 9. I was like, it won't get dark until 9:45, and it's like we're kind of already out of light because I didn't calculate in the mountain. So, I mean, it is what it is. So, we get a couple more shots up here. It looks really nice, and then find some grub and call it a day. Look at him go. Oh man, it is still great out here though.
That's nutty, dude.
Oh
I
yeah.
wonder if my car can make it up here.
Okay, Irvin managed to get the IS up on the a little gravel hill here
It was
for.
sketchy.
Yeah, I mean like,
It was sketchy, but we did it.
yeah. But I mean, it's so worth it. It looks so beautiful out right now. Like, you could mistake that little mountain for El Capitan right there, and this could be the Macintosh wallpaper. Tobias is over there playing in the rocks still. Oh, there he is. It is so nice out, and it's, what time is it? It is almost sunset, and the tips of all these mountains get this awesome pink color you can see right here. Oh man, that looks so beautiful. With a little bit of post, you can bring that out just a little bit more. Irvin Ortega in his element. Okay, we are currently ditching Irvin to go get my car. Pretty sure I locked it behind a gate, and if they close at 9 o'clock, then we got 10 minutes to go grab the car and bring it over here to the safe zone before, you know, I have to ride back with Tobias and then grab my car tomorrow morning and probably get a ticket, so we're gonna go get my car. Okay, made it back to my car. None of the gates were closed, obviously. So we're going to go find Irvin, get food. I think the shoot was a big success all around. Today also was the walk around of Tobias's car, if you guys couldn't tell from the continuity of the same white t-shirt and the same Tobias. So that was hopefully yesterday's video, or maybe even 2 days ago, and then this video is the vlog. I'm enjoying it. I think it's working out good. Let's go. Okay, I found us a taco joint that's open in Washougal, so that is currently where we are heading. I don't even know where my wallet is.
Fine.
I'll buy you a burrito.
It's like going the wrong way. Because I forgot that content.
This is the second time we've gotten tacos after a shoot.
Yeah, I thought Irvin's thing was like hot chicken.
Yeah, that's
Because of brothers.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, I'll do tacos and then you do hot chicken.
Burritos? Awesome. Looks ridiculous because I'm violating it.
Let me put a GoPro on my mouth. Give me a second. The editing studio.
Mobile editing studio. Slacking.
You were
Slacking as a YouTuber. I can't believe you.
Wow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Today was just a pretty chill vlog and kind of a behind the scenes of Tobias's Instagram video, which is probably also my Instagram video. So if this is, no, that should be out first. Make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. And maybe this guy, since we used all of his kit and his car.
And
he drove.
Of course, for the fitment.
And yeah, that might make
You
it.
gotta give props for the fitment.
Yeah, there it is. If you saw the Instagram video, you've already seen that. Bye-bye.
See you guys later.